again. Today we are going to be looking at milliliters and liters. I gave you the link to the third grade video that I already made teaching milliliters and liters. So all we're going to do today is go through your first page of your two pages, in your book of capacity, milliliters and liters, which is on page 267 to 268. So we're going to do 267 together to make sure that you understand. So freeze. If you did not watch the third grade video first, please go back and follow that link and watch that first, because that teaches milliliters and liters. I'm not teaching that again. It's already there for you. We're just going through the pages. So if you didn't do that, pause this, go back to the other one first, and then come back and see me, okay? All right, for all of you who did do that first, let's go ahead and go through the page, all right? So number one, we are looking at water for a ball team. So would you think that it would be in milliliters? It'd be, you're sweating, you're running. Oh yeah, that'd be awesome. Or do you think it's liters? Remember, this is 2 liters, which you learned on the other video, 2 liters. So what do you think it would be? Very good, it would be liters. Circle the L. Okay. What about medicine for a sick kid? Remember what I talked about? Very good, milliliters. How about water in a bathtub? Remember the other video? Would you do this? No, it would be liters. Okay? Now again, you're thinking of the actual thing. So you're looking at water in a fish tank. Remember, this is 1 milliliter. So do you think you'd have water in a fish tank, which would be like 2.5 liters? Or would you have 5 liters, which would be like 2 liters? Very good, 5 liters. How about a cup of chocolate? Do you think it would be 250 liters? Or do you think it would be 250 milliliters? Yes, 250 milliliters. Because remember, this is only 2 liters. So that'd be a lot of hot chocolate. Crazy amounts. Copious amounts of hot chocolate. You could swim in it, yeah. But it'd be hot, so I don't know if you'd want to do that. But it would be tasty. Milliliters does it take to make 1 liter? Very good, 1,000. So 1,000 times 1 is 1,000. So remember, we cross that out. We write our 1,000 milliliters. And now we can compare, because we're comparing milliliters and milliliters. So what are we going to put in there? Equal to, greater than, less than? What goes in there? Very good. Equal to, because 1,000 milliliters is the same as 1,000 milliliters. Okay? Or 1,000 milliliters is the same as 1,000 milliliters, because they're both the same. Yes? All right, let's go ahead and look at this. Again, we have 2 different units of measurement. Here we have milliliters. Here we have liters. So we're going to change the bigger one to smaller, right? So we take our 3,000 liters. And remember, we're going to multiply it by 3 liters. I already gave you the answer. So we'll just put it down. You guys know I do that sometimes. So it is 3,000 milliliters, right? Because we took our 3 liters, we multiplied it by 1,000 because it takes 1,000 liters to make, 1,000 milliliters to make a liter. So 1,000 times 3 is 3,000. So which symbol are we putting here? Very good, less than. Okay? Now number 9. Again, we have 2 different measurements. We have to change those liters to milliliters. So we take our 6 and we multiply it, right? Times 1,000. So 6 times 1,000 is, very good, 6,000 milliliters. Okay? So now we have 6,000 milliliters and 4,000 milliliters. Which sign do we put in here? Greater than, less than, or equal to? Very good. Greater than. Nicely done. All right. We have the same issue, so let's change it. 2,500 milliliters, right? Because we're multiplying it by 1,000. Something is wrong. It's 25,000. I missed a 0. Sorry about that, guys. 25,000 milliliters. Like I said, everybody makes mistakes. Sorry about that. So it's 25,000 milliliters compared to 250 milliliters. What is it? Greater than, yes. Like in a big way greater than. Okay? I missed a 0. Sorry. That's what happens when you do it in your head. That's why I say write it out so you catch those things. All right, how about 7 liters and 7,000 milliliters? Again, we're going to take our liters because it's bigger. We're going to multiply it by 1,000 because it takes 1,000 milliliters to make 1 liter. So 7 times 1,000 is 7,000 milliliters. So, oh, look at that. We have it equal again. Very good. Okay? So let's look at this one. Again, we have to compare. And we're going to change our liters because our liters are bigger. 1 times 1,000 is 1,000. So which sign are we putting in here? Greater than, less than, or equal to? Very good. Greater than. Okay? Now we're not comparing greater than, less than, or equal to. We are converting. Remember, converting means to change from one unit to the next. So when we're doing a bigger unit to a smaller unit, it is multiplication, right? Because we have our multiplication sign. So 5 liters equals how many milliliters? How many milliliters is in 1 liter? 1,000. Very good. So we're going to multiply 5 by what? 1,000. Very good. So 5 times 1,000 equals 5,000 milliliters. So we're going to go ahead and put in our 5,000 milliliters there. Okay? That was just to show you how we did it. You're not actually putting it there. You're putting it here. Okay? All right. Now we're going the opposite way. We know our milliliters and we have to figure out our liters. So what is 6,000 divided by 1,000? Yes? What is it? 6. Very good. 6 liters. Okay? And again, we're going bigger to smaller, which is our easier way to go because we multiply. So 2 liters is how many milliliters? Remember, we're multiplying 2 times 1,000 because every liter has 1,000 milliliters in it. So 2 times 1,000 is, nicely done, 2,000 milliliters. I hope you are answering the questions because it makes it more interesting if you are shouting out the answers, just like you would at school, okay? All right, let's go ahead to our story problems. So we have 2 of them, and we're going to use this lovely chart to figure it out. But I've already discovered there's a problem with our chart. Can you tell me what it is? 1 liter, 2 liters, 2,500 milliliters, 3 liters. You're right. All of the units are not the same. So the very first thing we're going to do is change our units. So we know that 1 liter is the same as 1,000 milliliters. We know that 2 liters is the same as 2,000 milliliters because remember we're multiplying by Very good. 1,000. 2,500 we can leave, and then we're going to say 3 liters is the same as 3,000 milliliters. How you doing? Good? Now we can go back and forth, okay? And we can figure out what we're doing. So let's go ahead and read. So first we read for reading, then we read for facts, then we figure out what they're asking us. Mrs. Dunn's class took 3,500 milliliters of drinks to their class picnic. What 2 drinks did they take? So we have to figure out what 2 drinks would make 3,500 milliliters. So what should we start with? So if we start here with 3,000, do we have anything to get us up to 500? No, we don't have anything to get us to add 500 to this. So that's definitely not going to be the right one. Okay, so we're not even going to look at the T. So let's see what else we have left. What if we took the water and the soft drink? Would that give us 3,500? No, that would only give us 3,000. So that's not the right 2. All right, how about, let's just stay with the water and see if we can add it to something to make it, okay? So water is 1,000. How about 2,500 milliliters of punch? Oh, there we go. We got 35. So they took water and punch. Okay? Because we added up our milliliters and we got to 3,500. If you take water, which is 1,000, and punch, which is 2,500. How did you guys do? Did you figure that out before me? Because I know you're way smarter than me. So did you figure it out? All right, let's see who can figure out the next one first. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Mr. Clark's class took 5,000 milliliters of drinks. What 2 different drinks did they take? That means you can only pick 2. So what 2 different? So that means you can't have 2 punches, which would be true, but that's not true. So what 2 different drinks did they take? So punch is 25. Nope, it wouldn't be punch, would it? Did you figure it out yet? I figured it out. Did you get it? Did you get it? Did you get it? So it would be soft drinks with 2,000, tea with 3,000, 2,000 and 3,000 is 5,000. Did you guys get that before me? So we have soft drinks and tea. Okay? So that is everything for today. If you didn't understand, go ahead and watch it again. If you missed something, watch it again. If you did not remember things from the previous video, you know, the 3rd grade one that we were supposed to watch that again. All right? See you tomorrow. Bye.